Hi, welcome. My name's Natalie, and I've missed you. I'm very sorry I haven't been around very much this past year. School has been very crazily hectic and not left me much time for anything else. My name's Natalie. I teach English. I'm British. I've been teaching English for over 20 years. I teach children, adults, matriculation, specialist high tech, low tech, everything in between, beginners, advanced, those wanting to practice just for an interview or to practice for a presentation or to start from the very beginning or to improve your language. I'm here for you. And now is the opportunity. I'm offering a 20% discount over the summer on the various platforms that I work with, notably Preply and Cafe Talk, and also you can contact me directly via the WhatsApp. I'm happy to take new students. We've got the whole summer ahead of us. I have a lot of time now available, and I look forward to you joining us, and so we can start learning English together. See you soon.